Hindi Divas is being celebrated all over the world as a reminder of India's national pride and cultural heritage. People in Spain celebrated the day, resonating the message that Hindi is a bond that unites people across borders and generations.
It is a matter of great pride to be part of this special celebration of Hindi Divas, where we celebrated Hindi not just as a language, but as a symbol of India's identity and shared pride. On 14 September 1949, Hindi was adopted as the official language of India, and ever since then has been celebrated all over the world as a reminder of our national pride and cultural heritage.
The evening began with a thoughtful presentation on the significance of Hindi Divas. The winners of the online competition were recognized with a prize distribution ceremony for their commitment. It was inspiring to see how, even from afar, our community continues to connect with the language so deeply. The stage came alive with a vibrant dance performance by the children of the Indian diaspora. It was more than just a dance. It was a reminder that our younger generation, no matter how far they live, continue to embrace their cultural roots. The intricate expressions, the rhythm, and the grace of the dancers brought to life centuries of India's artistic heritage.
I run Hindi Gurukul Spain since 2007, and we have got many students from Spain. Basically, they are Spanish people who likes to learn Hindi, and they live here, and that makes them easier to learn in Spain, in Madrid.
This event was actually spectacular, and there have been many dances and all. And my parents really want that me and my brother connect more to our mother nation, speak more Hindi, and well, it was awesome.
Following this, we enjoyed a Hindi play that combined humor, drama, and reflection. Theatre has always been a mirror to society, and this performance reminded us how effectively Hindi conveys both emotion and thought. The evening concluded with a soulful poetry recitation. Listening to the poems reminded us that Hindi is not just a means of communication, it is a vessel of imagination, emotion, and timeless artistry.
Every year we celebrate in Madrid. We organize like poetry, dance, essay writing competitions for everyone, and people enthusiastically they participate here, give their best, and they feel it's a festival.
As the program drew to a close, one message resonated clearly, that Hindi is a bond that unites us all, and it is our responsibility to nurture and promote the language. Today's celebration was a reminder that either through dance, poetry, or simple conversation, Hindi continues to be the voice of India globally. This is Atman Sandhu in Spain for DD India.